Welcome, I'm Justin from AlteringSubstances.com, and I make new creations weekly with a focus on games and technology. Let's get to it. In this episode, we'll be discussing my Arduino form factor brain case. So it has a circular design, a 4-inch girth, and its overall design is a brain. It has a notch out in the back for power and communication cables. And let's see, there's 9 wire holes, or you could use them for lighting effects if you prefer. It's made from ABS, which is one of the amorphous engineering plastics. If you can Google that if you want, I won't get too deep into the technical of it. The case has 4 standoff posts. I'll probably add an alignment boss to this one. This is the first revision. One screw hole. It's not really necessary. It's just for good measure. And 4 snap clips. The case has 2 alignment tabs in the back. And it's held together with an annular snap ring. It's a small ring. You probably can't see it on camera, and I may have to increase the force of the snap ring closure a few ounces. Let me grab the Uno itself. All right, this case just snaps into place. You can slide it back and forth. This is where the alignment boss is probably a good idea for this hole here. And you can see it doesn't really need the screw, but I've included one in the design just for good measure. It doesn't hurt, you know, 1 screw, simple enough. Okay, and then, like I say, there's 2 alignment tabs on the back. All right, that's it. Snaps together. So for those of you that want to personalize the case, the ABS takes paint really well. So I'm going to do a quick dry brush, and we'll fast forward it afterwards so you're not just bored to tears. And so I won't be talking over this part unless I narrate over it later. Okay. All right, there's a quick dry brush technique. This will obviously vary with your skill, which is likely better than mine. Again, I'd like to encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. And in order to say thank you for being willing to subscribe, comment, and like at this early stage in the game, I'm going to be picking names from the people that do subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll be sending you free versions of the things I'll be making on this channel. So if you like to win some of the stuff we're making here, comment, like, and subscribe, or dislike, but comment and subscribe. See you next time.